To lubricate the slow axis bearing, lift the hood On the left-hand side here, there is a plastic cap that you'll need to release. Just place your fingers underneath and push up and move that cap to the side. Pull the carriage towards you until you can see the fitting in the hole just here. Locate your grease gun and make sure that the head of the grease gun is screwed on, but not too tight. Slightly release it and then place the grease gun over the fitting. Push down on the fitting until the grease gun attaches, and then pump the grease gun 2 or 3 times until you feel some resistance in the gun. The next step is very important. Make sure that you release the grease gun by unscrewing the head. Turn the head of the grease gun to the right and keep screwing until it disconnects from the gun. You can then remove the head, reattach it to the grease gun, push the carriage forwards and backwards to lubricate, and then push it to the back. The last thing you need to do is replace the plastic cap. Then close the hood.